Looking for a reliable wagon to make camping trips easier and more organized? Best Wagon for camping options can carry heavy gear, handle rough terrain, and save you time and effort outdoors. In this guide, we'll explore top-rated camping wagons that combine durability, convenience, and portability for your next adventure. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Max Sports Collapsible Utility Wagon. The Max Sports Collapsible Utility Wagon is an exceptionally dependable and highly portable choice for everyday outdoor tasks, sporting events, park visits, and backyard projects. Measuring roughly 35 by 20 by 23 inches on the outside, it sets up in mere seconds without requiring any complicated assembly whatsoever. Built with a durable 600 denier polyester fabric that resists both ultraviolet rays and mildew, the wagon handles daily wear and tear with ultimate ease. Its robust, heavy-duty frame securely supports up to 150 pounds of gear. Weighing 24.5 pounds, the unit features an adjustable handle for comfortable steering and 2 integrated mesh cup holders to secure beverages safely on the move. When not in use, the wagon folds down compactly to just 8 inches thick, fitting seamlessly into the included carry case for convenient trunk storage or garage organization. Designed specifically for hauling equipment, it makes every trip effortless while ensuring maximum user convenience. Number 2. UJOYOK 200L Beach Wagon. The UJOYOK 200L Beach Wagon is a reliable and highly spacious choice engineered to maximize hauling efficiency for heavy-duty tasks, beach trips, and camping adventures. Measuring roughly 35 inches long by 23 inches wide on the outside, it opens easily to provide a massive 200-liter storage space without requiring any complicated assembly. Built with a reinforced composite steel frame and an upgraded load-bearing structure, the wagon handles demanding loads securely, supporting up to 550 pounds. Weighing just over 4 kilograms after folding without its detachable wheels, the unit features an adjustable telescopic handle for comfortable steering and a convenient parking brake to keep it completely stationary. When not in use, the innovative folding design condenses the wagon down to a fraction of its size, fitting seamlessly into car trunks or room corners for convenient storage. Its quiet, all-terrain wheels ensure smooth movement across grass, sand, and pavement surfaces. Number 3. Originsure 300L Foldable Wagon. The Originsure 300L Foldable Wagon is a dependable and exceptionally large choice designed for massive gear transport, heavy gardening tasks, and extended outdoor excursions. Measuring nearly 48 inches long on the outside, it sets up right out of the box without requiring any complicated assembly. Built with a solid, all-metal frame that's 20% thicker than standard utility carts, the wagon handles heavy loads effortlessly, supporting a static capacity of up to 560 pounds and a dynamic capacity of 440 pounds. Wrapped in waterproof and wear-resistant 600 denier Oxford fabric, it also features a side pocket, cup holders, storage cover, and securing strap. When not in use, the innovative folding design reduces its volume significantly, down to a compact size, fitting seamlessly into car trunks or tight room corners for effortless storage. Equipped with universal all-terrain big wheels, it guarantees stable steering and smooth rolling everywhere. Number 4. Navatiee 330 pounds Collapsible Wagon. The Navatiee 330 pounds Collapsible Wagon is a dependable and lightweight choice designed specifically for family camping, beach excursions, and grocery hauling. Measuring roughly 36 inches long with a spacious 165-liter internal volume, it sets up in seconds without requiring any complicated assembly. Built with a reinforced high-tensile metal frame, the wagon handles heavy loads with impressive ease, supporting up to 330 pounds securely. Weighing just 18 pounds, the unit features an ergonomic handle that stays at the right height and 360-degree swivel front wheels equipped with one-touch locking brakes for effortless control across multiple surfaces. When not in use, the innovative fold-flat design condenses the wagon down compactly to just 24 by 12 by 8 inches, fitting seamlessly into crowded car trunks for convenient transport and storage. Wide anti-slip wheels ensure smooth gliding over muddy roads, thick grass, and gravel. Number 5. Timber Ridge 400L Wagon.
The Timber Ridge 400L wagon is a dependable and uniquely extended choice, engineered for transporting oversized items like canopies, tents, and long folding chairs. Measuring roughly 54 inches overall, it sets up easily by pushing the bottom floor without requiring any complicated assembly. Built with sturdy steel pipes and featuring an innovative extended lower shelf, the wagon handles heavy loads exceptionally well, supporting up to 225 pounds per layer for a combined total of 450 pounds. Weighing comfortably for its class, the unit features 360-degree rotating front wheels with reliable brakes and 7.5-inch rubber-treaded all-terrain wheels for smooth, quiet navigation. When not in use, the practical collapsible design folds down compactly to just 15 by 7 by 35 inches, fitting seamlessly into vehicle trunks for convenient transport and storage. It provides outstanding capacity and resilience for all kinds of outdoor activities. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.